Hi guys, I am back. So I recently had my exam. I'm recently now having school. So I'm gonna post like every Saturday and Sunday. It's already Monday here in the Philippines, but there are people in Sunday. Yeah, you might not hear this, but I'm gonna say that I'm back. I'm going to do a lot of things now. I am going to post every Saturday and Sunday, like I just said. I am going, I'm going, I'm always going to remember that I'm gonna do that. And remember, guys, that I said that BFALG5, I think. Maybe BFDLG5 will come in March. No, it will come actually in the second week, Sunday of in February. Second week, okay? Second week, Sunday! Hey! Sorry, I burped. So, yeah, if you want to support me, I have a lot. You can just click that white, not red, white subscribe button. Now I can finally reach my goal to 50 subscribers. And I am so scared. Because I'm going to post always very late. Philippines First Gen Part 4 teaser trailer 2 and 3 are going. I think 2 already released. Sorry guys if I said teaser 2 is already released. But besides that, it will come at the last day of January. January 31. So yeah. So I hope you guys know this. So yeah. See you in my Saturday video. Bye.